On top with tori for today. Onto Afro Basket 2019. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give ogbonge salute give the Tigress on top the victory wey dem knack. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don follow national female basket team, the Tigress, jollificate on top their victory for FIBA's Women's Afro Basket 2019, the one wey shele for Dakar, Senegal. And na dis one na im make dem win for finals as dem even win their host for 60-55. E salutes dem, say dem do well as dem win their mates for the tournament and keep the title wey dem don win for 2017 as e waka well with their position wey dem get as African champions wey get 4 titles. Presido salute their team, say dem get discipline, dem dey mature and dem dey put eye for their game as dem work well to see say dem promote Nigeria flag until dem win dis ogbonge game. Presido come greet all the officials and technical team wey dey work with the team to see say dem win the African title as e come knack dem ogbonge advice say make dem continue to dey put their body for the game, the one wey be say e still dey waka come, so that dis win e no go stop for here. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give ogbonge salute give the Tigress onto Afro Basket 2019 as dem win. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come for una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get dis correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website still don gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.